In your total website, the major important point is called uploading for your perfect URL structure. So this is a perfect URL structure built by on your website. So how to post on your content on your website? How to create the perfect URL structure? So select any video on YouTube. I'm taking one video for YouTube. Now I'm searching for one notepad. I'll give this Vaijagan versus Sinnababu Naidu CS discussion on AP assembly sessions. But always keep it in mind, what are the YouTube title and your website title? Complete different, and people can understand it. You click your news. To click your news, go to admin, add the video, add new video. If you create any kind of URL structure, the very important is called title. What the URL structure will be create? Always, each word will give the one character for, will be give the space, each word, YS or any kind of words using for only for one word of space characters. Title, your category, come into political news. Give me this title and keyword. Copy this URL. Now click for submit. Now I can check. Go to home page. I'll check my URL structure. Select here. Copy the URL. Select it. I can see. Then what are your structure? They match on your. This is called proper SEO URL structure. This is called easily understanding by search engine to rank your website on Google search engine results. It's a very important notice on your SEO friendly URL structure will be create and based on your postings.